Hi guys, welcome back to another video on this channel. As you can see right now, we are in Nightshde trying to farm for the second egg. Today we're gonna have like 6 attempts, and that's it. Because tomorrow I'm going on holiday for 5 days, and I need and I have no internet there, so I can't do any more videos. I'm gonna do this video, then we'll upload the second giveaway. It's gonna happen when I come back. I'm gonna give. So when I come back, I'm gonna give away that video. I'm gonna give away that account, so you can just comment hashtag pack on that video after this one. Also guys, Talon's with me today in the game, but not with me personally. He's busy at home doing something else. So we're just trying to get the pet egg, because the pet egg doesn't drop when the holiday season's over. So we gotta let it drop now more than later. So another 5 attempts on Nightshde today, and we're sweet. And the next video we're gonna do is just a account showing all the other one. They're low level ones, but there's more than one level that's low levels, but all like level 18, 19, 20s. But there's heaps of them. So yeah, so it's a very good account to give away. I love playing that account so much. As you can see, I didn't get anything. I love playing that account so much. It's one of my favorite accounts in the world. But this is my favorite one. And yeah, I'm going on holidays, so I won't be uploading for a week. Oh wait, so now it's Wednesday for me. Wait, is it? Oh no idea. It's Tuesday now for me. Monday for the USA. So for USA, I'll be back on a Sunday for the USA's, for the Americans. And yeah, alright, let's go. Please, I'm hoping for that drop. I really want the pet egg. As you can see, Talon got his new wand. Rip. I never get anything, I swear. The only pet I've got from here is the Rescue Rover, that's it. And that was a very good pull as well. If you guys want me to do like, people ask in different videos, they've been asking, how do you get Mega Snacks? The reason around Mega Snacks is, I farm them from Grizzline. It's a spot in, I think, something past, Savage Pass. And I farm it in there. It's like a level, I got a cash potato, and when you harvest the cash potato, you get a Mega Snack, and you get a cash potato back. So every time you get a cash potato, you get it back, and you get a Mega Snack with it. Oh, oops, wait. Oh, he got the blue Banshee pet. Sweet. That's good. I'm just hoping now, I can get the pet that I want. I really want it so much. Oh, how was the week, guys? He didn't use the, I don't think he used the, enchant to it. I think this is 3rd attempt, so I'll still do 2 more attempts of this video. After this. Tell a short video, but when it gets to episode 3, we'll do like 7 attempts for each one. When it gets to like episode 3. Like 7 attempts each video, because like it's a more bigger chance you can get it than, because of the videos we're doing now, it's like it's lower chance. Because today right now it's like around 7, 8, I think 8, and we're gonna go to bed soon because we'll have very early in the morning. Alright, so 2 more attempts. I just really wish I can get it now, so I can go like and do different series and different stuff. But if I get through, if you guys want me to do something else, and I like that pet that I'm getting, but if you guys want me to do something else, I'll do something else for you. But just tell me, boys. I don't want you guys to get bored. I just really want that pet. That's my opinion. But I'm gonna do stuff for you guys, so just comment everything you want in the description. Thank you guys. We've hit 16 subscribers. Thank you so much for that. At the start we were on 9. I said, I said in my head, can we do it? Can we do it? We should like do a family, like the low gangs, like them. We should do like, what is it called? Like a family to with each other. I always crit. Sweet. I've critted like nearly every time I've hit today. I'm telling. Yes, nice. Alright, last attempt. I'll just tell them that you can continue. The next, guys, because the reason I'm rushing this video as well is because I can get the other account up. Because I don't want to like get it up, and then when I want to get it up now so there'll be more time. Because last time the other giveaway, also Jamie PC and Luke, the other video Satan didn't want the account, so could you please get back to me with first one to can get the account? And today I also did a pack giveaway, that pack thing. Satan got that pack because he was in the stream that I started up. Where is he? Yeah, he's not with me right now. Tell him first why. He's not with me right now. Also boys, Kelly and Wolf, they were in the live stream as well. But they wanted to win the pack, but I know them from like real life, so that's why I don't want to make them win, because I need to do people that can stay in the stream with me. That weapon cast? Where do you get the weapon cast? Get the weapon cast, wait. We're 7 minutes in. I'd like to thank you guys so much for being in my, watching all my videos. If they're getting boring for you, boys, just tell me. I'll understand, because some videos I do, like, some YouTubers, like, who do I watch? Like, Mr. Stop Sign. His videos aren't boring at all, but, like, he always does PvP, but I love PvP. But, like, for, like, some people that hate PvP, or that like it a bit, they're gonna get bored from Mr. Stop Sign streams, because he always does PvP. But it doesn't matter, still, everyone likes it, so I like it too. I love Mr. Stop Sign, my favorite YouTuber. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video so much. As you can see, we still did not get it. Yeah, so bye. We still did not get the account, so, the pet. So thank you guys for watching. If you, yeah, you got the call to Midnight Spirit Hours in the pit. If you guys want me to continue the series, comment down below. If you guys want me to do a different series as well as this one, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching the video. I'll miss you guys so much when I go on holidays. But don't worry guys, we'll be back very, very soon for more videos for you to enjoy. Take care guys. I love you so much. Bye.